Hi Scorpios, welcome to your reading. So, this is going to be for you guys from August 15th to the 31st. I'll be looking at the current energies for you guys, and basis that, I'll be looking at the outcome in those 15 days that you can expect. Um, Also, guys, while watching this, please remember this is general, it may or may not resonate with you. So please take what resonates and leave what does not. How would you know this is resonating? So I describe the current situation for that reason itself, so that you know if this is relating to you or not. Alright, so let's see what's going on with you guys, Scorpios. What's going on with Scorpios? Current situation. The Hanged Man, Queen of Pentacles, Eight of Swords. You're confused about a person. You thought that this person could be your soulmate or someone whom you could live with, but now you're confused. You don't know if you're meant to be with this person or not, because there have been certain events that have happened and you don't know if this is working out in your favor now. You seem to be getting closer to clarity, and let's see what is this clarity. What is this clarity? The Emperor, Page of Wands. You're getting closer to clarity of knowing that this is what you want and this is what you don't want. I see a confrontation happening of sorts. Like maybe you might be very clear with this person that this is what I am going to be doing, and you will want to control this situation on your own, is what I'm seeing, and you will be quite successful because there is love here in this situation, and I think both of you want to establish this thing. So yeah, that confrontation will happen for the good. Alright, it will only solve things between the two of you, is what I'm picking up. See, this phase that you're going through is a little bit of a momentary phase where you might be feeling that, what am I doing? Should I be even doing this? All of that. It's a momentary phase. It will become better with time. Okay, and you will get the clarity that you've been seeking, so don't worry. So now if this resonates, let's see what's coming for you in the next 15 days, Scorpios. Next 15 days, Four of Swords, Strength, Three of Wands, Two of Pentacles and Ace of Pentacles. Okay, so I am seeing that this will be like a wise man plan, like basically a very mature approach to things. I see you thinking about it with a calm mind and coming to a conclusion to how to work this situation out. So the desire to make it work out is very huge. I am seeing that you might want to kind of calm your mind. This situation, probably there have been confrontations which will be a little uncomfortable for you. And then I see that you will actually lead to something new and fresh. You will be successful in this. Yes, the Fool. You will be successful in this because this is what you want, and slowly you are getting there, and there is angelic protection here. So there is nothing to worry about. So your approach is very good, Scorpio. You are trying to calm your mind. You are trying to think about things very practically. You don't want to mess it up. You want things to work out properly for you. That is what I'm seeing. You don't really want to mess things up, or so you're being very careful because this person could be very important to you. You could be in love with this person a lot, which I can see with the Two of Cups. So you don't want to lose out on this person as well. Their energy matters to you, their happiness matters to you, and you actually give importance to this person because this person somewhere has a very huge impact in your life. Okay, so I am seeing that you will work out things, and this person also loves you. It's not like this person doesn't, but you will kind of work things out in such a way that nobody is hurt and everybody is happy. That is what I'm seeing here. Okay, now if this resonated, let's see what can you expect in the next 15 days, as in what would be an advice for you. Okay, wow. Advice for Scorpios. What is the advice for you guys? Advice for you. Buy the book. A leg up, yes. Just follow your heart. Okay, because I'm seeing that your heart is what is keeping you going. So your heart somewhere knows that this is what you truly want and you don't want to lose out on this thing. So you're doing it. Okay, and yes, this is special, this is important, this is nice. Okay, and you will be successful in doing this thing nicely. So I don't see a problem here at all. Okay, it's just that maybe it's a phase that has come which is bothering you a little too much. So you got to let it go on the way it is and have an approach of a calm mind. See, fluxes and friction happens in relationships. So that is exactly what is happening here. You both are meant for each other, but you guys just need some time off to understand and to make things work out freshly in a good way. Alright, so don't really worry so much about this situation because it is taking you in the direction of where you're supposed to be. So don't worry at all about this thing. Okay? Alright, so that's what I'm seeing for you guys, Scorpio. I hope this reading helps and I hope this reading resonates. You can let me know in the comments. Also guys, I have 2 pages on Instagram. One is for tarot, the other one is for crystals. So you can have a look if you're interested in Reiki healing crystals. That's the page for you. You'll get all the information over there. And private readings are open, so you can reach out to me. And I shall see you soon with more readings. Take care and have a great day. Bye.